Hi, on this video I'm going to talk about the concept that life is predictable. This is to guide you on living a predictable life. The key things you need to do to get your desired outcome. And if you need to learn more, you can, I do a lot of this on my website, which I put the link on below. So as you're watching, you can put comments, like the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get future notifications. I want to break it down into 4 different parts, and then we'll talk a little bit on detail as we continue. The first is that your life depends on the sum total of the decision, everything you do every day. It also who we associate ourselves with or who we keep. The third one is our belief system. And then the last one is the environment. So let me state it clearly. Everything that will make or break your life, my life and your life, are the things that happen in the now, not things that happen in the past or the things that will happen in the future. So it is the thing that happen in down. Because you cannot change the past, you cannot change the future, but there's no action that will change anything in the past or in the future except the action that you're taking in the now. Because the past is already gone and the future, you're not there. So the key is focus on the now. Let's say some ills were done in the past or things went wrong in the past. You can change that, you can do correction, you can amend by taking certain action, certain decision in the now today. If you take certain decision, that could remedy what was done wrong in the past. But you cannot go back to the past to change things. So by trying to change the past, you do take decision today, that's in the now. So the only variable that connect the past and the future is in the now. So we have to live in the now. So we can, if you want to create the future, you have to start taking your decision in the now, in today. So if you want a better future, you list out things that you need to do daily to bring you that better future. If you want to save money to buy certain things, you start taking action to save that money. So by doing this on a regular basis, you'll be able to save enough money to purchase what you want to buy in the future. The second point would be I want to focus on the association. That's who we keep. We might say we are very strong. One thing is clear, the association works in 2 ways. Either you're influenced by or you're being influenced. So, and in reality, I don't think there's nothing like neutral. You will have a little bit or more, a stronger or weaker influence. So if you want to have a predictable or a better future, you surround yourself, you associate yourself with people that are either working on something, thinking, taking decision, or people that are positioned in that thing that you're looking for, that kind of lifestyle you want to. So if you position yourself in that within that sphere of influence, it's very close that if you do exactly as they are doing, that is, you associate yourself and you're taking the action, you're most likely going to have a future that is similar to those people that you surround yourself with. So this is very clear. So if you keep 10 people, 10 different group, so your behavior, your average behavior will be the sum total of all these combination. So if we keep the company of good morals, we will tend to act morally right and vice versa. So it's simple. Choose who you want to be and follow. If I want to be like inventor like Elon Musk, um, Steve Jobs, or I want to be inventor, uh, there are people in history, there are biography, those living and those that has passed away. But the good thing is that these people they have biography. Even the people around still living, they have books written, volumes of book written on them. So by engaging and reading this book, this material, you can package your life and live, see all the things that they've been doing in the past to get that kind of life, to be able to be in that position, to be able to invent and create things they created. You can even you can even do better because now you have a combination of more people that you can study than in their own time. So it's very important. Then the third thing I need to talk about is the belief system. This is, I think, most powerful and is the thing that shapes us. So the our belief system is the thing that propel us to act, to take action. Let's say if you believe in something, you take more action, and because you took more action, you get a better result. And because you get a better result, that's an affirmation that to affirm that your belief system is right, and because of that, that increase your belief system. So you take more action. So you go into what is called the spiral up. So you continue increasing more, taking more action, and so that's a spiral effect. It's also possible that you can spiral downwards by having a weak belief system. You don't believe in something and you take less decision. Something like, oh, let me try. Let me try is not a strong belief system, because you say let me try, you put a little effort and then you see a little result, then your affirmation is that, oh, this thing is not working, then your belief system is down, then you put less action, so you spiral down till you quit. Some belief system that is very limiting. There are some that is uh, aspiring belief system. So you need to look at, review your belief system and look at them. Are they enhancing your productivity? Are they positive? Are they moving you forward? If they are not, you change it. You change the system, your belief system. Start doing things, thinking differently, and the impact will be there. But if you're stuck on a limiting belief system, uh, and then you're looking for progress, you're looking to make to create something, and when your system is against that, so there's no way you can that you can get successful. So it's very important that you know the kind of belief system that is limiting you and the one that is propelling you, so you can make effort to change them. Sometimes it's not easy because you're used to, but you need to make a conscious effort uh, to to change this. First of all, you need to identify them, and once you're able to identify them, then it's easier to change because your focus, you intentionally do it, uh, because without intention you cannot. The fourth part is the environment, the system. So, and these include the political system, the social structure, the infrastructure in where you are. So, if your country has a stable political structure, it's more e- easy to plan things for long term. If it's stable, there's you can create something. You can plan, have short and long term plan. Unlike if you're in a war-torn area, that you cannot plan long, and also the environment. If you're in a war-torn area or a very unstable area, your plan has to be adapted to that environment, so that things that you want to do, you need to do something that you can have a quick, that's engaged on short term plan, rather than long term, because you need something in the now, something that you can start and see the out and get the outcome uh, in a short period. If you have a good political system that are able to make a good legislation and good laws that protect life and property, that encourage certain behavior, so it's easier for you to plan certain things, for you to predict where your future will be, because you know there are laws covering this and all this behavior, that if you want to go into business, these are things that you need to do, you set of things you need to do, and these are the outcome that you expect from it. So the environment is very important. It will the same way you will plan, somebody in a third world country will plan his own life is different from the way somebody in the developed world would do. So these are the environmental effects. Um, so then all these 4 points, when if that I've discussed in the past, will influence the kind of future that you will have, and base if you know all these variables, you have all this information, you can invariably predict that person's future. This is what is the based on this is action this person is following, and the environment which is doing this. I expect this person to be in social position in the social future. So that's the summary of the discussion on life is predictable. Does this make sense? Please drop your comments on the box below. And if you want to learn more or get more information, there's a link to my website that you can have tons of information that you can review that will help you. Thank you, and see you another time.